Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the FastAPI. Today we are going to learn about how to get the access token, or you can say about the bearer token using the FastAPI. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share, comment on my video. This is the extension of the last video. Okay, so let's get started. So here we go, our SS token. So this is extension of the previous video. So this we have already discussed in the last video, right? Now we are going to send the function to get the SS token. So basically SS token is very important. So which packages you have to install? Make sure you have to install the required packages. That is request, JSON, Google Auth for the service account, and the request. Google Auth service request, you have to install the, you can pip packages. Okay, this is very important. Okay, after this you have to go with the next step to get the access token. Okay, so this is the part. So this is the code for getting the access token. Service account found credentials from the service account file. Okay, so service account file we are going to give them, and it will generate that one with the scopes. Okay, or dot request, this one credentials dot refresh auth request automatically, then give the token for that one. Okay, after this we have to go with the next part, that is calling this function, that is access token. Okay, so here we have a get access token service account file. You have to give the service account file, you have to declare the service account file. Okay, so here we go over service account files. So this is our service account file, and this is project ID, and this is token, right? So we have to send it. This is send push notifications, and where we are calling this function get access token. Let's have a look. And this is our service account file where it is defined. So this is defined in the send push notification. So while sending the push notification, we are trying to get the token, then we are going to send the push notifications, right? So this method will help. Just you need to pass here. You can see that here we are getting the only the service account file. You can just copy and paste the service account file which you have, this one. Okay, or the project currently project ID is not required for this. Just paste it over here, and it will give you the token for that one, which will be going to pass in the Firebase URL. Okay, with the project ID. So this is how you are able to get the access token right now, and we are going to use this access token to send the push notifications in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and don't forget to like, share, and comment on my video. Have a nice day.